Oppo A6x 4G versus 5G. Complete breakdown, specs, differences, and which one to buy. Oppo just dropped a new budget beast, the Oppo A6x, and it comes in two flavors, a super affordable 4G version and a slightly pricier but much more capable 5G version. They look almost identical on the outside, but under the hood, totally different stories. Let's break it all down in a simple, no-nonsense way. If 5G is available in your area or you plan to keep the phone for 2 to 3 years, the 5G model wins hands down. Display, same awesome screen on both. Huge 6.75-inch HD plus LCD. Buttersmooth 120Hz refresh rate, still rare at this price. Up to 1125 nits peak brightness, easily visible outdoors. Glove touch plus wet touch support, works with gloves or wet fingers. This is honestly one of the best displays you'll find under $170. Scrolling, gaming, and watching videos feel super fluid. Camera, basic but gets the job done. Oppo A6x 4G, 13MP main plus monochrome sensor, 5MP selfie. Oppo A6x 5G, 13MP main plus 0.08MP auxiliary, 5MP selfie. No, these won't beat a flagship, but for daily snaps, Instagram stories, and video calls, totally fine. Both shoot 1080p video. Battery and charging. This is where things get interesting. Both pack a massive 6,500 mAh battery, easily 1.5 to 2 days of use. Both support 5W reverse wired charging, charge your earbuds from the phone. But here's the game changer. 4G model, no fast charging at all, 5 to 6 hours to full. 5G model, 45W SuperVOOC, 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes, charger included in box. If you hate slow charging, the 5G version is a no-brainer. Other cool features, same on both. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor, fast and reliable. 3.5mm headphone jack. USB-C port. IP64 dust and splash resistance. Stereo speakers. MAL STD 810H drop protection, 5G model. Colors, storage and pricing, December 2025. Oppo A6x 4G, Malaysia and select markets. Colors, ice blue, plum purple. Variants and price. 4GB plus 64GB, $92, RM399. Higher configs up to 6GB plus 256GB available. Oppo A6x 5G, India, widely available on Amazon, Flipkart, Oppo Store. Colors, ice blue, olive green. Official launch prices. 4GB plus 64GB, 12,499 Indian rupees, $149. 4GB plus 128GB, 13,499 Indian rupees, $161. 6GB plus 128GB, 14,999 Indian rupees, $179. So, which one should you buy? Choose the 5G version if you want. Future-proof 5G speeds. Way faster 45W charging. Better performance and multitasking. Slightly better long-term software support. Choose the 4G version if you just want the cheapest possible phone. You live in a 4G only area. You're super tight on budget. Verdict: at just $50-$60 more, the Oppo A6x 5G is the clear winner for 95% of people. The faster charging, 5G readiness, and stronger chip make it one of the best budget phones of late 2025. If you're on a crazy tight budget and don't care about speed, grab the 4G model and save some cash. That's it, the complete, 100% accurate story of the Oppo A6x 4G and 5G. Drop a like if this helped, and let me know which one you're buying.